अरे हेलो हेलो तो होते रहेगी टीचर से, अरे करना क्या है
यार कुछ तो करना।
डांस म्यूजिक
यार कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं ना। हाँ देखो अब तक तो पता चला है कि ना टीचर्स की भी मीटिंग होने वाली है, तो उसमें हम लोग परमिशन लेके ना अपना वहाँ से घुस जाना कुछ करते बच्चों
अंदर कुछ जगह ना विल क्लास द मीटिंग यू नो।
कुछ जूनियर्स भी तो है, उनको ऐड करते हैं और देखते हैं वो लोग क्या कहते हैं।
इंटरेस्टिंग आइडिया
शो कर दो उनको।
A few moments later.
आप लोगों ने क्या सोचा? आप लोग बताओ, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है।
हम लोग सोच रहे हैं बेसिक डांस म्यूजिक से आगे बढ़ते हैं।
हाँ चलो, डिजाइनर कुछ तो अलग करना ही पड़ेगा ना, सेम करेंगे तो फिर फायदा क्या हुआ।
हटके तो करना पड़ेगा ना, अब WD के स्टूडेंट्स हैं है ना, फैकल्टी को थोड़ा नचाना तो पड़ेगा क्यों नहीं।
सही बात है,
जरूर।
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करते हैं यार, इतने वो डेयर चैलेंजेस हैं यूट्यूब पे, कुछ भी करवा
जब तक फन ना हो तब तक मजा भी नहीं आएगा।
कुछ फन करते
क्या
हैं।
फन? मोदी फन इन द सेंस?
फन इन द सेंस जिससे टीचर्स का एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो और ऑनलाइन भी हो जाए बिना किसी दिक्कत के।
इन दैट एंटरटेनमेंट इन द सेंस
अब यहाँ पे ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करना होगा, सब मिलके ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करते हैं, डिजाइनर जो है।
कुछ तो निकल जाएगा।
डिजाइनर है बेटे, कॉपी पेस्ट मत कर। ओके
थोड़ा सीधे
लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने क्या क्या किया था? लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने क्या किया था?
लास्ट टाइम हमने
Flashback.
टीचर्स को गिफ्ट्स दिए थे, उन गिफ्ट्स के लिए फंड्स कलेक्ट करे थे, उन फंड्स को कलेक्ट करने की चिक चिक करी थी। इस बार कुछ भी नहीं।
तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी टेंशन ऐसी है जो कि नहीं है,
पर बहुत सारी ऐसी है कि जो कि है। हम टीचर्स को गेम्स इजीली नहीं खिला सकते, हम उन्हें कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते,
केक कटिंग नहीं कर सकते।
या
पर टीचर्स डे तो विश तो करना ही है, तो कैसे किया सकता है?
वही तो सोच
ये आजकल आप लोगों ने देखा, आजकल
एक एक करके बोलो।
आजकल
आजकल जैसे ज्यादातर लोग एक दूसरे को विश करते हैं, एक पिक्चर लेके आप एक वो कर सकते हैं, कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं। हाँ लेकिन कुछ और ऐड ऑन होना चाहिए। सिंपल हो जाएगा, टीचर से कम से खिलवा दो, ये भी कर सकते हैं। तो कर ही देंगे, किसी की कितनी देर का करवाना है।
Minutes later.
कुछ धमाके में सोचना, बोरिंग मत सोचना।
एकदम आउट ऑफ द
टेंशन मत लो, अंताक्षरी नहीं खिलवाएंगे इस बार।
म्यूजिकल चेयर्स भी खिलवाई थी यार एक बार।
हाँ इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ, इस बार नहीं खिलवाएंगे।
Montage.
Happy Teachers Day.
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 Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Teachers Day.
Thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
That was sweet.
Thank you, everyone.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you so much.
Dear teachers, you're the best. You can bring out the best in us. We cannot thank you enough for all that you do for us. So I, Vrinda Singhal, on behalf of all the students of WD, thank you for your patience and efforts in teaching us. To make you all feel special, the committee members have tried to put something together. We hope you will like the effort. So what, we could not be together on this day in college. But with the same energy and enthusiasm, Let's start the event here. So, ma'am and sir, welcome to Teachers' Day 2020. I now hand over the proceedings to Muskan.
Happy Teachers Day to all. Before proceeding, I'll request all the teachers to turn on their cameras, please. Ma'am, sir, please turn on your cameras. तो क्या हो गया अगर हम लोग कॉलेज में नहीं है टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, बट टीचर्स डे है, अपने टीचर्स को बिना स्पेशल फील कराए हम लोग रुकेंगे तो नहीं. So let's begin with the event. So our first game is यादों की बारात. तो रूल्स कुछ इस तरह है कि स्क्रीन पे one second. स्क्रीन पे आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स दिखाई जाएंगी एंड जो भी फैकल्टीज उसमें है उन्हें गेस करना है कि वो पिक्चर्स कब की हैं. यू विल गेट 30 seconds टू शेयर योर मेमोरीज विद अस. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. देवेंद्र सर, उमेश सर.
This is ages ago, Jaipur visit.
Thank you, sir. Sir, would you like to share something about this trip?
I think it's the senior most batch, and they're having this very exciting period trying to figure out how to spend their time right now. But it was a very fruitful trip, a really long one. And we traveled all across different villages around Jaipur. It was very smooth. Entertainment, education, whatever. I think it was one of the best trips I've been with students in the last 4-5 years.
Sir, is this the trip जिसके पहले आपके पैर में चोट लगी हुई थी?
नहीं, इसके बाद थी.
अच्छा.
Thank you, sir.
Umair might have some anecdotes from this trip to share.
Yes.
May sir please share something with us?
उमेर सर, आप हो गए यहाँ पे?
He is not here in the meeting right now.
Okay,
I guess
Umair is not there.
Satyam sir, Amisha ma'am, Anushka ma'am, Aparna ma'am.
Well, that was my birthday last year. And, the students of fashion senior most batch surprised me with a cake and a nice plant and a lot of decorations on my table. And it was very sweet of them. I am really thankful to them for this gesture. I'm always going to remember this day.
Thank you, ma'am. Aditi ma'am.
Oh, this is one of the most fondest memory for me because this is FOID competition 2019, I guess. And yeah, I think FOID is one time of the year where I really have a lot of fun working with you, all of you, and I see a completely different set of students during this time. So yeah, this 2 days, 3 days, and in fact, the whole month before also, that is something which is amazing time for me. Thank you so much, guys, for bringing this memory back to me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, sir.
this was when we were shooting for our newsletter. We wanted some very fun photos for our newsletter. So I think this was January 2020. And we had a lot of fun during the shoot.
Aditi, is that James Bond pose?
So we were just, we didn't want very boring pictures. So we just thought that, we also should give some very interesting poses and make the shoot interesting, make the photos interesting for the newsletter as well.
We were just trying
everyone. Yes.
We were just trying to relive our college days actually. So sorry?
Kunal seems to be taking an oath.
Yeah. Kunal and Rohit also, I guess.
Okay, next guys.
Great, sir. I guess sir is not in the meeting. Now, sir, Pulama. Yes, sir.
Pulama, you were there. Where are you? Kunal bhi tha abhi.
Kunal sir, Pulama ma'am, are you there?
I'm here only, but it's little noisy on my side. I can see. Maybe I can connect over messages.
Okay.
Pulama. She's gone, I think.
Should I move forward?
Anji Muskan.
So, would you like to share something about this?
We have Professor Kulkarni here. Anupam. Is Anupam here?
No, sir, he's not here.
And Professor Kulkarni is also not here.
Yes, sir, he's also not here.
Okay.
Professor Priti.
This was the art camp last year, conclusion.
Thank you, sir.
Cut.
Oh, this is the architecture trip that I missed. This is the only trip that I missed because my daughter was on the way.
Professor Kulkarni is joining in shortly.
Okay.
Thank you. Astha, you there?
Yes. It's
कुछ
from
बताओ इसके
Dholavira.
बारे में. Yeah.
So this was the salt lake just behind the resort we were staying, and in the evening we all went far away on that salt land, and it was really nice to look at the sky over there, and students and us had discussion over there. It was really interesting. It's a very nice memory.
Which guy are you talking about? Nice to look at the guy.
Sorry, sir. So not the guy in the sky. The guy was finalized at that time.
You were always talking to that guy actually. You were hardly on that one.
No, sir. I was on both the sides.
So the temperature was around 46 degrees, but it felt like 55 degrees there. We went during the peak summers.
Should I move forward?
Yeah.
Thank you.
everyone, this is Professor Kulkarni or Anupam join us. I would just like to share about this picture. If you can go to the previous slide.
Yeah, sure.
This is the picture we have taken during the time of art appreciation classes. The blue short guy you see in front is Mr. Siddharth Tagore, who runs a gallery, and it was wonderful to have him with visual art team. And we had some wonderful sessions, and this is the documentation of that. Can you move to the next slide? I see all familiar faces, but I don't remember this picture from where it belongs to. If Aparna or Pavitra can tell us.
This is a Pooja ma'am. This is a picture.
This was
from
taken in the-
after lunch stalls. After lunch stalls.
This was taken in the wheat field actually.
Okay. Okay. Welcome. It must be belongs to 2018-17, I guess.
Who is the guy in white shirt with goggles?
Rahul Bhattacharya.
Okay.
There is no end if we start reliving our memories. But let's move ahead. बैठे बैठे क्या करें, करना है कुछ काम तो आप ढूंढिए वो चीजें जिनके लेंगे हम नाम। नहीं अंताक्षरी नहीं खिलाएंगे। तो करना ये है कि हम स्क्रीन पे कुछ बेसिक हाउस होल्ड चीजें दिखाएंगे। आपको वो चीजें अपने घर में ढूंढनी है और फिर कमेंट बॉक्स में रिप्लाई करना है फाउंड इट, गॉट इट या कोई भी इमोजी। तो जो सबसे पहले ढूंढ कर लाएगा वो उस राउंड का विनर डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा। तो इसके लिए प्लीज अपने कैमरा स्विच ऑन कर लेना एंड जो भी सबसे पहले लेकर आए चीज को वो कमेंट बॉक्स में पहले मैसेज कर देना। तो लेट्स
रिपीट एक बार रिपीट करो फिर से।
हम लोग कुछ बेसिक हाउस होल्ड आइटम्स दिखाएंगे अभी स्क्रीन पे एक एक करके। हर फैकल्टी को अपने घर में वो ढूंढनी है और वो वापस लेकर आनी है। जो सबसे पहले लेकर आएगा उसे कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज करना है कि गॉट इट, फाउंड इट या कुछ भी भेजना है। तो प्लीज क्रॉस चेक कि आप ले आए हैं एंड आप उस राउंड के विनर डिक्लेयर हो जाएंगे।
विद इन स्टॉक वाली चीजें रखी है ना जो स्टॉक में है हमारे पास?
यस सर, बिल्कुल बेसिक रखा है।
स्टॉक वाली चीजें।
So shall we start?
Okay.
तो कैमरास ऑन कर लो बस तब, तो तभी हम लोग वेरीफाई करेंगे कि आप ले आए हो।
Yeah, and pump up everyone.
Let's start. So time starts now.
Run.
Because it's hair oil.
Yeah, I have this one. I got it. Yeah.
Amisha ma'am.
First message by Harsh Mehta.
One second, I'll check what it first.
Got it. I am on iPad, so I don't know how to type over here.
Got it.
Do we have to type or do we have to show? Guys, do we have to type or do
you have to show as well?
Yeah, sure. I guess that's better.
You have to type first. The first person to message will be considered.
Actually,
So then you have to show.
So we consider Harsh Mehta.
यार हार गए। टाइप का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा।
But how
we will show on the camera.
I got
Yeah,
it. First you have to
correct.
message him.
It shows like a eye drop, but it reads hair oil.
Okay, this reads hair oil, but this is what I have, which is similar to it.
Yeah.
So I think I get it.
You win.
Okay.
That's the nearest.
I was going as per the image.
So you got an eye drop?
Eye drop. That's why I lost.
It just shows the eye drop there. You might just win then.
ये टाइपोग्राफी में प्रॉब्लम है यार, बहुत लाइट फॉन्ट लिया है तुम लोगों ने।
I had
और बॉटल भी हेयर ऑयल वाली नहीं लग रही है।
Don't get into detail.
तो फिर से क्लासेस लेनी पड़ेगी।
everything on the screen is important.
चलो मुस्कान नेक्स्ट।
ना मैसेज इसलिए करना है बिकॉज सबकी स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा।
ओके डन डन।
नेक्स्ट इज
पेंट ब्रश।
He's got it.
I got a brush.
हर्ष ऐसे ही पहले ही मैसेज कर रहे हो।
मिल गया है।
I think गौरव सब कुछ लेके ही बैठा है।
Even I did.
अरे I had it in my hand already. I was cleaning my keyboard.
This is going to be very difficult for you all to judge, okay?
Yeah, very difficult.
But Muskan, I think that I won. You did not mention about flat or round brush, right?
Oh, but Gaurav, your brush doesn't have a paint on it, so it's not a paint brush. It's a cleaning brush.
No. It's a brush. It doesn't say anything.
There's a paint.
I was multitasking. Yeah. I was multitasking.
Point.
First one message first again. So the winner is first one again.
Who?
He's typing.
Yeah, Harsh is just typing. He's not bringing it.
Yeah. Aditi Datta got it first.
Yeah, I got it. Exactly. Thank you, Ruchi.
Yes, Aditi ma'am.
I'll cross check.
हर्ष चीटिंग मत करो।
Sir, please verify with your screen that you got it or not.
मुस्कान नेक्स्ट।
Okay, ma'am. Next is first message. Whoever got it.
I don't have this.
Even I don't have.
I don't have.
I don't have it.
Have it.
So Gaurav sir won this time.
टाइप भी करना होगा।
Yes.
My phone has a good power backup. My phone already has a good power
प्राइस क्या है बताओ, प्राइस क्या है?
फिर लास्ट तक वेट करना पड़ेगा।
प्राइस वर्चुअल गिफ्ट है।
नागेश आपका पावर बैंक ऑप्शन करेंगे अभी हम।
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा एक।
Move forward.
जी। बहुत
Got it.
ये ब्रांड की मैटर करता है क्या अभी टूथपेस्ट में?
No, sir.
So Muskan, who won this one?
I'm thinking, ma'am.
I think I won.
Okay.
I'll cross check.
What do you have to write? Found it, got it, or toothpaste? What do you have to write?
Got it, found it, anything.
Anything. You just have to type anything and send. So Nagesh, sir won for this.
Arey, but I texted first.
Save.
One second.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
I think Harsh has got it.
I don't know.
Got it.
There is a problem.
Harsh सब कुछ लेके बैठा है वहीं पे।
ये तुमने हर्ष को पहले से क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक नहीं किया?
लीक हुआ है।
हर्ष
मुस्कान,
बिल्कुल
ये
ज्यादा
ऐसे
नहीं
नहीं
बैठा
चलेगा।
नहीं तो सेफ्टी पिन लेके कौन बैठता है?
आज तुम्हें कैसे पता है ये सब चीजें?
मैम अकेले रहने का फायदा हुआ ये, सब चीजें आसपास रखने के लिए।
नेक्स्ट क्लू शुड बी अ साड़ी। लेट्स सी हर्ष क्या करता है।
So there's a confusion between Parul ma'am and Harsh sir, I guess.
Parul ma'am
कोई बात
won.
नहीं हर्ष, you
No
have already
issues.
2 in your code.
Even सब लोग देख चुके थे, so we should skip this.
Yeah, Muskan, what is next?
Next is it. Bluetooth or
Speaker. It's Bluetooth or
any speaker.
got
He's
it.
already won.
So it
उसके
can
हाथ
be
में है।
anyone.
I don't have that. I don't have that.
Got it.
I also got it.
Yeah, speakers are inbuilt in my laptop.
I don't know.
Aditi ma'am got
नहीं
first.
ऐसे वाले दिखाना
Parikh.
चाहिए। नहीं ऐसे वाले दिखाने चाहिए, बड़े वाले, पुराने वाले।
So Aditi ma'am won this round. So the next is.
Wow.
I don't have.
ये किसी के पास नहीं होगा।
I don't have.
Amjad sir के पास है, वो गए लेने.
Yeah.
Hey.
Sir, you have message also.
ये हम सीनियर लोगों को चांस दे रहे हैं जीतने का।
फोन पे इमेज चलेगी?
अब एक्चुअल दिखा दिया तो फोन का क्या करेंगे? इमेज क्या करेंगे?
So Anshul won this. So next is very live.
ऊपर आया।
I have. Got it.
फर्स्ट पे लाया।
हर्ष तुम्हें सब कुछ पहले से पता है इसका मतलब।
This year.
तो लगता है.
हर्ष
मुस्कान तुमने हमारे साथ ये वीडियो शेयर नहीं किया, तुमने हर्ष के साथ ऑलरेडी कर दिए क्वेश्चन शेयर।
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ।
अपर्णा दिस इज चीटिंग, इन्होंने हमारे साथ शेयर नहीं किया।
हमने नहीं शेयर किया किसी के साथ भी.
मैम हर्ष सर ना पूरे घर में घूम रहे हैं इसलिए उनको सब मिल रहा है।
I am being so fair कि मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही हूँ और ये सारे लोग
नहीं मैम हमने कभी शो नहीं किया कि आप पर भी खेलो.
नहीं I want to be fair all the time.
Ma'am, that's fair. You don't know anything about it.
ओके नेक्स्ट। हो गया?
Yes sir. तो हाथ पर इसको पॉट चलाइए, थोड़ा दिमाग चलाते हैं, बूझो तो जाने. It's very simple. We show some riddles and you have to figure out what does it say. So let's start. And you have to message.
First one to message will be considered, not the audio.
Exactly. First one to message the correct answer. So let's begin. This is the first riddle.
Cloud.
Cloud9.
Oh yeah.
You have to message.
Ma'am, you have to message.
I cannot text. I'm online with my phone.
Ma'am, try. This is not the correct answer then.
Then what? Then what is it?
You are close.
Yeah, you're close.
Nice.
Cloud9. Heaven. Cloud9 is heaven.
No. It's real.
You just have 1 minute to figure it out.
You cloudy.
On top of the cloud.
No, ma'am, you're close.
Real close.
I'm close.
Yes, you're really close.
On cloud 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the answer.
Okay.
So the next is
Head heels.
Head over heels.
yeah. Whoever said it is the winner. So the next one is
Needle in hay. Finding needle in hay.
no sir.
Needle in the haystack.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Arjun sir was the first one to message.
So we consider the message one. The next is
Mansfield.
A few good men. No, men to nahi hai, man. Man of few words.
Man
Yeah,
of
that
few
should
words.
Gautam sir.
Thank you.
so this is the answer. So one.
Man of black shot.
Night shot.
Shot in the dark.
Yes sir.
Shot in the dark. Great.
So the next is
What goes up must come down.
Come down.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
I hope I ever and keep checking. So it's time for announcing winners. Give us some time for it. So let's so we can present you something. So we have a special title for the faculties. So I request all the faculties to turn on their cameras as it is based on how you're looking today. So please turn on your cameras.
As we cannot see all the faculty members, so I request all of you to say one by one hello so that we can see all of you with your cameras on.
Exactly.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Faculties haven't still turned on their cameras.
Hi.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Muskan, who won? Who won?
Ma'am, it's really difficult to judge.
Kya? What is the criteria?
So we'll let you know in a minute.
Can we please have another hello from all the faculty with cameras on?
Hello,
Please?
hello, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Mic
Hello.
testing. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
गॉगल्स के एक्स्ट्रा मार्क्स हैं क्या?
ऐसा है क्या कुछ?
Marks extra marks.
हरीश लगाओ. हरीश लगाओ जल्दी से.
मार्क्स के
Hello. Gautam sir, please say hello once.
Hi, hello, good afternoon.
Muskan, Mohak, how much time?
Ma'am, just 1 more minute.
Okay.
Muskan, you're mute. You have to unmute.
Sorry. So I was saying कि results are here. We'll present it in some time, but before that, we want to show something. Is my screen visible?
No, Muskan.
Not yet. Not yet.
Muskan, ask someone else to share if there is a problem.
Ma'am, it is visible now, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes.
So this is for Aparna ma'am. For always being there for us in every event.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And this is for Ruchi ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am. Yoo-hoo.
Thank you very much.
अभी रिजल्ट्स को थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा.
गौतम सर को ही दे दे रिजल्ट का.
पक्का पक्का मोहक.
Congrats, Gautam. Congrats.
Congratulations, Gautam.
VC सर को, अदिति मैम को, किसी को भी दे सकते हो. बिल्डअप तो करना पड़ेगा ना.
So, ma'am, sir, I hope you all like this effort from our side.
Obviously, indeed. Very good effort.
I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Muskan, thank you so much. Very enjoyable.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
And
very, very much.
on behalf of all faculties, I really thank all the students also to take the effort and the time in between their classes for this event. In fact, it is they who initiated all this, and we didn't have to really ask them to do anything. Thank you so much, students. We really appreciate your efforts, and I wish we were there on campus to thank you all. And I would also like VC sir and Kulkarni sir to add a few words here. So please, 2 lines of appreciation for these students.
I just typed in my this thing. Thank you guys. That was a phenomenal effort you guys have put in. It was a pleasure. I mean, it's always welcome to have students come up to you on this day and make this day special. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, and thank you for allowing us to use your name for a fake meeting.
I'm just worried about my next real meeting.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Everybody actually did so well.
That was a lovely change, refreshing change.
Together like this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, students. Thank
Please,
you.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Next time VC sir calls a meeting, please take it seriously and
Enjoy the day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Please don't leave.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Sorry, you were saying something?
We request you guys, please do not leave the meeting as we will still get to give the certificate.
But please, मुस्कान, I think बहुत सारे लोग निकल गए या है. You can either send it to me and I'll send it them to them. I'll WhatsApp them.
Yeah, they can stay.
Yeah, sure. Sure. We are there. We didn't realize that it is still left.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes more. Just hang in for 2 minutes.
Yeah, for sure. अपर्णा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. अपर्णा, we can't hear you.
हमारे मिल गए तो हमने सोचा चलो छुट्टी हो गई सब हो गया.
और क्या यार, हमने बहुत किया ना.
So, ma'am, sir, how is your lockdown going? Nagesh, sir. Sorry.
Sir, Kulkarni sir, please, आप कुछ कह रहे थे?
Yes, sir.
No, I think it's the thing which has changed, but everything is happening with the new normal. I think this is very interesting that what we used to enjoy at the university, that you have made it online. And similarly, all the faculty is also working with people online. That is something which is very interesting, and this is something which is going to open up new possibilities for us, definitely. And everything has its own plus, minus. So we have to look at the plus, is what I'm looking at. And this is going to take us at a different platform altogether, start working with new possibilities. So great.
Okay, sir. Thank you for
so
sharing
much,
your
sir.
experience.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Ruchi,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell us about what is your experience here with the baby and your work.
I just now can actually see her grow, like scarily good. Scary but good at the same time.
Yeah.
मैं उसको लेकर आती हूँ. Give me a second.
All the faculty, everybody should get their babies.
टाइम है सर, अभी टाइम है.
हमारा तो हो गया ना. बहुत देर हो गया. बेबी बाबा बन गया अभी.
I guess she's sleeping.
Sorry, वो सो गई.
Yeah.
Aditi ma'am, Satyam sir, how was your lockdown?
See, my lockdown is going into cooking as well because half of the time I'm cooking because I'm staying alone right now. So that is one of the biggest things that has been happening, but it's good and better that way because I mean managing so many things and then taking care of other classes and ourselves. That has been a new way to learn from myself as well. That has been really wonderful. I mean now it's better compared to the initial days.
Okay, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience.
What about Preeti ma'am?
Taking classes, cooking food for my family, and enjoy the lockdown with my family. That's it.
That's so nice. Family time.
Family time.
Aditi ma'am.
There are two Aditis.
Aditi Parikh.
So yeah, I think the lockdown was quite a learning experience because this is something where we are taking classes online. We are also learning on the way because there are a lot of things which we also don't know how to manage, how to do. But yeah, it's good because one, the traveling time is cut off. You get to spend more time in your classes. Along with that, yes, we also learned some of the household chores also, which we usually not used to do. So lot of learning that has happened, I think, within last 5 months. And yeah, for me, it was a big, huge learning experience. A lot of things that I have learned new.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your experience.
So I'll show the results now.
Yay, we are excited. Can everybody turn on their cameras? We want to see the reactions as well. Yes, Muskan, go
Ruchi
ahead.
ma'am, Satyam sir,
Hi.
Harsh sir.
I'm there.
Hi. I'm there also.
Sir, so when you'll say hi, then we can see you.
Hey.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
This is a good session. Hi, hello.
तो अब सर्टिफिकेट सिर्फ अटेंडीज को देना, जो चले गए उनको मत देना.
We mark absent. They'll be debarred.
सारे बच्चे टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. जो चले गए उसको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देंगे.
Nagesh sir, can we see your looks once?
Nagesh sir, take a few words.
But what exactly, like Miss Messi as in hair, look? Background Messi है कि मैं Messi दिख रहा हूँ?
वो स्लो समझने वाले काफी सारा काफी है.
Next is Messi.
Sunshine Messi.
यार ये फोटो में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहे हैं.
Seriously.
अच्छी गाली है ना.
आ गया.
आज गेम के विनर हर्ष सर.
Yay! Thank you.
And ये प्लस के विनर.
Gautam sir.
Thank you. It's like
Congratulations.
Thank you guys. Really appreciate it. अरे ये हेयर स्टाइल का प्रॉब्लम है. Wait.
Thank you so much.
सर आपको टाइटल मिलने पे बुरा लग रहा है नागेश सर.
What about Sanmitra ma'am?
I deserve it. ये देखो. पूरा Messi है पूरा.
What about Sanmitra ma'am?
She's not there in the meeting. I think she left.
Okay.
Chalo, bye everybody. Thanks for the lovely time. Bye.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye. Take care. Stay safe. Looking forward to see you all campus.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Bye everyone. Bye students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
I missed out a lot in between, I guess.
Ma'am, we'll share the recording.
Happy जब हो गया उसके बाद then I just saw the trophies and things and and the crowns, Mr. Smart, Mr. Mehta and all. चलो कोई नहीं.
Ulama, don't sulk.
Okay. Okay, no. I don't have a choice now. Okay. Please share the recording, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you, Bacha.
Thank you,
so
guys.
much.
Bye-bye.
Welcome, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy Teachers Day. Bye.
Bye. Happy
you very
Teachers
much.
Day.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.